Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Unsplash licensing checks for store images, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Unsplash website. Log into your Unsplash account or create a new one if you haven't already. Access the Unsplash API section in your account settings. Generate an API access key by following the prompts. Once you have your API key, open your code editor. Create a new project folder for your licensing checks. Inside the project folder, create an index.html file. In your index.html file, set up the basic HTML structure. Link the Unsplash API in your JavaScript file. Create a script.js file in the project folder. In script.js, define a function to fetch images from the Unsplash API. Use the API key to make a GET request to the Unsplash URL. Include parameters to filter images by relevant keywords or categories. Set up a function to display the fetched images within your HTML. Incorporate licensing checks by accessing the URLs and user details in the API response. Create a function to verify the licensing information for each image fetched. If the image is licensed for commercial use, display a confirmation message. If the image is not licensed, prompt the user to choose another image. Integrate error handling functions to manage failed API requests. Test your project to ensure all images display correctly along with their licensing status. Optimize your code for performance and user experience. Finally, document your code to ensure easy future maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.